LEN stock analysis and LEN stock prediction in this brief and short 1-minute video. I myself am breaking down my exact play, and just for context, I'm the only guy in this space that's done 42,000 videos and actually documented them all. So practically speaking, LEN, let's pop up here, 108 bucks. I'm definitely, I mean, from a broader picture, yes, open-minded for longs. But what I'm not open-minded, just buying now, you know. It will be all good and crazy if one, there's a big catalyst, or two, I see a full candle close, you know, above 130. But since we're not there and not even close to it, I'm not looking at this and being like, okay, I'm bullish whatsoever. So even like, actually, I'm more so biased towards the sell side. So if I do see a double break, obviously I'm looking to take it further down. But if it makes sense and there's the confirmation, but if you want to stay tuned and want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading for free, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.